Hello friends, this is Ankesh. Today I am going to show you a little trick to bypass a Windows 7 password. Well, you can use it if you have forgotten your password or you want to hack your friend's password when he is not around. It's a very easy trick which you can apply. You just need a kernel named as conboot. You can download it from the net, or if you want it you can have it from me as well, just like the page whose link is given below, and you can inbox me and I can provide you this kernel. Okay, so the first step which you have to follow is install the sorry con boot in your bootable pen drive. So you need a bootable pen drive to perform the steps. So plug your bootable pen drive in your USB port and open the conboot kernel. There will be three folders named as con cd, con floppy, and con USB. You can use cd for this trick as well, but the preferred one is USB. So just go to the folder con USB, and there will be a file named as con boot install.exe. Just double click it. uh, a prompt will open and it will ask you to enter the drive in which you want to install the conboot kernel. So first of all, check what's your drive name is. It's removable disk I. The letter which has been assigned to my USB drive is I. So I just have to put I here, I, and enter, and it will automatically install the conboot kernel in my USB drive. Okay, now the second step is to boot using your bootable pen drive. Restart your PC and boot using your bootable pen drive. Okay, if you don't know how to boot using your pen drive, just ask your queries in the comment section, or you can like the page and you can post your questions there as well. Okay, after your Windows has booted up, it will look something different. Just ignore it, and whenever it will ask you to enter your password, you can use any password you want. You can even write your name and press enter. It will accept that password, and you will be redirected to your desktop. Okay, so these steps are very simple, which you can apply in your to bypass your Windows 7 password. Okay, so for more tips and tricks, you can like the page and can post your questions there. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Thank you, class.